Hello children, welcome to Artzone. Today we will learn to draw Spiky the Dinosaur. Let's practice these lines before we draw the dinosaur. Follow the lines shown in the video. Draw a circle and draw few angled lines for face. Draw a big curved line. Let's draw the back. Continue the line to draw the tail. Add inner line to complete it. Draw a line to connect the tail to body. Let's draw legs now. Draw two lines and connect them. Repeat it for other leg. Draw a small line. Add nails. Now add oval shapes to make it more beautiful. Let's add details. Make spikes on its back. Draw eyes, pupils, and add highlights. Draw a ground line. Let's add a grass layer. Let's draw a volcano now. Add mountains. Draw stones on the ground. Add dot and curve lines for nostrils. Erase these lines. Here comes Spiky. Take a sketch pen and make the outline. Draw lava line and add lava drops on mountain. Let's color the picture. dark yellow for spikes, light yellow for oval and light green for body. Orange for lava, dark green for grass. Dark brown for mountain and stones. Dark green for ground and light blue for the sky. Spiky wants to play with you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.